Hi everybody. So today, like it says, we're going to be writing equations to express volume. And so you have your rectangular prisms. Now looking through some work, I saw some people use more than 25 cubes or less, or 24, sorry. It should always be 24. Okay, so the problem was that they were trying to find all the different combinations of 24 baseballs that he could pack into a box. And so 24, not 8, not 50, 24. And then another one is if there's ever any spaces, if we don't, like this is a rectangular prism. If I take one piece, like say this, and I add it here, you see that? That is no longer a rectangular prism, okay? I'm actually not sure what it's defined as, to be honest with you. But it's not a rectangular prism. And so I saw others with like spaces in the middle, not rectangular prisms. So a rectangular prism is, I mean, just think of it as rectangles that, are just stacked onto each other. So that's a rectangular prism. Okay, so you're going to be thinking about this. You're going to be thinking about the base, which is this bottom layer. Okay, that's called the base, and so it has a width and a length. Of course, that could also be, this could be the width and this could be the length. This one doesn't really matter so much, the order that you put it in. And then we have the height too. So those are the 3 dimensions. That's why it's 3-dimensional, because it's 3-dimensional. A rectangle is only 2-dimensional. It only has a width and length. A rectangular prism has that 3rd dimension, which is height. Okay, so that would be something to need to know. Now, if I have, this is a 2 by 3 base, and I've stacked it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Of course, I could turn it this way, and now I have a 2 by 4 base, and it's stacked 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, and then, oh, that might be something different. So you can play around with your prisms. That's good stuff. At the end, there is, be sure to watch the video so you can understand what you're supposed to be doing. It shows you some hints on how to copy and paste your images. This one is on your own, so you can use all the prisms that you made. You can use your partner's prisms too, whatever you want to do. Just make sure it's 24. Okay, if it's not 24, then you need to rethink it and redo it. It has to be 24. And then there's some questions at the end. And I think that's it. The vocabulary is at the bottom. Expression this is pretty important. This is one of those things that a lot of people get confused. The expression is the kind of the calculation on the left side. It's only an equation when we have an equal sign and an answer at the end. So then that becomes an equation. Your equations today will have parentheses, which Ms. Freeze talks about. And then here we go. We have our volume again. We have the width, length, and height. That product is the end term that we get out of an answer. And again, this rectangular prism. These are all rectangular prisms. You don't see any holes in them. You don't see any protrusions coming out. That's it. All right, have fun today. Bye.